All right, welcome back. We are finally putting these liners in the pools and wrapping the rest up to insulate. As we talked about before, there is the issue of trying to get the insulation to stick to the top. And I've had some good ideas. There's a hardware store right next to me, so I'll go in there and look around. But thank you to those people who are reaching out and giving me advice. It's really helpful and I appreciate it. This video probably won't be as long and not too much is going to get done. I just want to make it so we can sort of keep everyone updated and all that, because I am going away for a few days. So I wanted to just get something up between then, so I'm not away for like 2 weeks without posting anything, give everyone updates. So it's a bit smaller of a video. Said there's a big thing coming. Still is, but it won't be in this video. Well, maybe a little. Well, hope you enjoy. Watch this little sped up version of building all these pools, and I'll get back. Pools have been all put up, all the liners are in. Now it is connecting these tops here. I still have to wrap the outsides of these ones. I just was too excited. I wanted to go into the next step before then because, I was tired of wrapping liners all day. However, I'm going to try something. I just bought some PVC, half-inch PVC, to try and make clips out of. Thank you to all the people commenting and actually giving me good ideas. I really appreciate it, and being able to check those out. It's always good to finally know other people sort of with the same interests. And thanks for the support. It's been amazing. Let's get to it and let's cut off a little first piece, see if this concept works. If it doesn't, not a big deal. This half-inch PVC isn't terribly expensive, but let's check it out. Made a bit of a mistake. I probably should have double checked, but this is 3/4 inch and I bought 1/2 inch to clip over. Let's see, doesn't really make sense. I'm gonna need probably 1 inch PVC pipe to go over all this. Luckily, I'm outside a hardware store and it's really not that expensive. I wonder if I can get this returned because I only took off this much, but fingers crossed. Get that $7 back. but I'll be right back. So I went to the hardware store and they do not have 1-inch Sketch 4D PVC. However, I can order it from them, but I'm not sure if I want to do that without being able to just buy one to make sure it fits and I don't spend all that money on like 15 10-foot pieces of PVC that don't even fit. But there is pressure clamps I saw while doing a little look around on Amazon, and it's for greenhouses, these pressure clamps, specifically for the UV tarps they have on top. So they will clamp on, and this is 3/4 inch, and they have 3/4 inch clamps that are made to go around 3/4 inch pipes. So that would be nice. I might pick those up. I think it's like $30 for like 30 of them. It's like $1 a piece. So that's not bad. I'll probably need like, I would say 6, 12, plus 2, that would be 16. I don't know, might be a lot. I might just have to go PVC. We'll see. I might pick up one of those packs for $30 and see how far it gets me. I don't need it to make a 100% seal. I just need, one here and then maybe another one here, and the tension will keep it fine. And if it goes like this and water splashes in, it's not sealed at the bottom, so it will drain. Also, because we have that big piece of PVC, it's not going to go to waste. I decided not to return it because I think I can make use of it. Here, let me flip this around. So the idea, maybe, because I was thinking of buying the greenhouse supports to go over to make some sort of dome, and then either lay some sort of screen on top. Could be greenhouse film, or it could be blue stuff right here. Just buy more of that because it's bubble wrap, so it will help insulate. And then I can have these poles somehow, maybe make an X, because there's flex in it, and they can sit right in here. So maybe I can do something, or even like a flagpole, and then have it go across and cut it like right here, and then have it sit in the corners and then just drag it across. Don't know yet. Or it's for the very exciting thing I want to talk about. It's the air system that's going in. This could be a way to bring air down to a manifold for all my air stones, because the plan is here. I have a regenerative blower in that box there. It's going to go in this room, and I'm going to cut a hole up top, and we're going to run 4-inch pipes, probably follow the supports there, and then over each pool I'm going to drop down. Maybe I'll use this. Maybe I'll buy some more of this stuff, have it drop down to 1/2 inch, and then run my air stones off of that with flexible 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch tubing, whatever the standard is on my air stones, which I will be putting sort of along the edge and in the center to keep all my solids suspended. And this might be perfect for keeping the center stone. So I'll have a few stones in the center. So this might actually drop down into the center, holding my air stone down. Maybe. We'll see. This is now a little piece that we will figure stuff out with. Also, these pipes here, you can see these ones. Let's see if we can show. There's some like that one there, and there's others, I swear. They're not very even, and it's really painful in the hands. You got hit really hard. So I've been meaning to buy one, but I bought a rubber mallet. I'm just gonna give a good smack on all these, make sure they're nice and set and even, so nothing shifts and moves and it's all secure. Well, thank you for watching. Your support means everything, and I'm loving the comments and talking to some of these people, and it's great. Next video, there'll be more movement with the air system, which will be fun and challenging to set up. But you know, when there's a challenge, it always feels good when you overcome it. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, get the word out for Canada's only shrimp farm, and maybe drop a comment, show how much you want it, and maybe it'll make the CFIA go a little faster, put the word out more, and get it on the radar. However, I don't know if it's really them that's taking long or if it's the other side of it, but it doesn't hurt to raise awareness for it, to make it feel like it's going faster. Thank you very much, and see everyone next video.